Last video we covered what are various cases are there, use cases are there, where branching concept is required, what are various advantages of branching. Now the most valuable, very important concept related to branching is merging concept. Are you getting merging of a branch? Okay, observe carefully about this one, sir. Merging of a branch. Sir, it is a very simple terminology. Okay. Sir, I created a branch to implement some new feature. Assume that we created a branch to implement some new feature, to implement new feature. Okay, like, sir, now we did complete the implementation of that new feature, sir. Sir, we completed implementation of that new feature, like, okay. Sir, once that implementation is completed in that branch, we have to combine those changes. We have to combine those changes from child branch with the parent branch. Okay, remember this a bit carefully, sir. We have to combine because the branching work got completed. Now those changes, can you please combine to master branch, and then you can push to remote repository. Okay, like, how you can combine this combined process itself is nothing but merging, right? Okay, this combined process is nothing but merging concept. Okay, take a bit very special care about this one. What is the meaning of merging? Whatever changes are there in our child branch, I have to combine these changes with the parent branch changes. So such a type of operation itself is nothing but what? Merging. Any doubt? Can you please confirm, friends? Yes. Okay, any doubt about this terminology here? Just have a look once, sir. Sir, this is my main branch. Okay, this is my main branch is going on. Now, sir, here I created a separate branch to work on new feature. Yes, I did two commits, I created multiple files, and then what I have to do, I have to merge these changes to the master branch. I have to merge these changes to the master branch, or otherwise even this child branch directly you can push to the remote repository, no problem at all. But most of the times what we will do is we have to merge these changes to the master branch. Under that master branch, we have to push to the remote repository. Of course, the remote repository concept I will discuss next level. Okay, everyone got the basic idea? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of merging operation, right? But how we can do that merging, sir? Okay, how we can do that merging, sir? What we have to do is, sir, we require to use git merge command. Have you observed, right? What is the command we have to use? What the command we require to use? Can you please spell out what command we require to use? Git merge command we require to use, right? Okay, like, sir, from which branch we have to use is a bigger doubt. Okay, sir, here you have two branches are there. Assume that, sir, child branch and master branch, or feature branch and then master branch. Where from which branch you have to use git merge? Sir, I want to merge these changes into the master branch. That's why. So from the master branch, you require to use git merge, and whatever child branch name you have to specify. Okay, which command we require to use? From which branch you require to execute this command? You people should aware. Clear, right? Yes, friends. Okay. So can I require to execute this command from master branch or child branch? Master branch. From master branch we have to execute because master branch required these changes. Okay, like, now here what I want to do is, let me go for a small example so that you can get much clarity about these things, right? Okay. Here just a simple demo example. Let me take, sir. Okay, my total target here is, listen carefully about this. What I'm going to do, sir. Here I will, by default, which branch will be there for me? Can you please confirm? Array respond. By default, which branch will be there for me? Okay, master branch is there. Now what I want to do, sir, let me create in the master branch, two commits. Let me create two commits, right? Okay. So now I'm taking, assume that C1M. Okay, first commit in the master branch. Assume that, sir. Sir, here C2M is there. Okay. Yet this time, my requirement suddenly a new requirement came. Can you please implement? Can you please implement? Okay, a new feature like so. To implement that new feature without affecting master branch, what I did is, let me take let me go for a small child branch I created, right? Okay, feature branch like I created, right? So in the feature branch, okay, I did two commit operations. I did two commit operations, right? Okay, assume that this is C1F. Okay, this one itself is C2F. Okay, like sir, I did. Now here observe that this is the master branch, and then I created a child branch, and then like this, right? I did like sir. Now here, which thing is pointing? Master is pointing. Can you please spell out, sir? Master is pointing, sir. Here master is pointing here. Next, and after that, child is pointing where? Okay, assume that my feature child branch name I'm using feature branch. Okay, feature branch is my child branch name, sir. Feature is pointing here. Okay, like now my requirement is, I want to merge these changes to the master branch. Regarding, I want to merge these changes to the master branch. How you can do that? Practically I want to show, sir. After merge, what is the result? Let me show a bit in detail. Are you in the position to understand what I'm going to do? Respond clearly. So in the master branch, I will do two commits, and after that I will create a feature branch, which is the child branch, and then in that I will do two commits, and after that I have to merge these changes from the feature branch into master branch, right? This is what I have to do. Let me go for, sir, here our example. Here multiple projects are available. Now let me create a new project, sir. Here just observe mkdir project 9. Here just observe the mkdir project 9. Let me take, sir. Yes, project 9 I'm trying to take. Okay, now here git init. Yes, initializer git repository, right? Sir, let me create two files, sir. Touch a.txt and then b.txt. Two files I created, right? Sir, now if I observe git status, untracked files are there, a.txt and b.txt. Everything is expected only. Okay, like now git add a.txt. Okay, and then git sir commit -m. Okay, this time what I want to use is, let me use c1m, yeah, the commit message. C1m yeah, the commit message, right? So first commit in master branch. Okay, C1m. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Yes, completed. Okay, next let me take b.txt and then C2M. Okay, like that's all. Sir, can you please spell out in master branch how many commits are there? Please confirm. In master branch, how many commits are there? Two commits are there, sir. If I use, two files are there. Next, if I use git log hyphen one line, how many commits are there? Two commits are available. Okay, first commit message C1M and the C2M. Clear? Are you in the position to understand? Up to this I did, right? Now I want to create a new branch. Okay, like how I can do that, sir? Git here just observe branch. If I use git branch, that's all. How many branches are there? Only one branch, master branch is there. Now what I want to take, can you please create a new branch name is feature, sir. Can you please create a new branch name is the feature branch, and can you please switch to that branch? This is my requirement. Can you please tell the command? I forgot, sir. Regarding create a new branch, and switch to that branch. Can you please guide, sir? Git check out hyphen b feature, like this is the shortcut command. I hope you know this is the shortcut command. Sir, it will create a new feature branch, and sir, it will switch to that new feature branch. Okay, let me take this one here. Observe carefully, right? Feature branch. The name of the child branch is feature branch. Okay, switched to a new branch feature. Okay, now observe the git branch. How many branches are there? Two branches are there, but currently we are in feature branch. Currently in which branch we are? Feature branch. The name itself indicates, right? Okay, well, what I have to take here is, let me create two files here. Just I'm taking touch x.txt and y.txt, like I'm taking some two files. Let me create two files, and let me create some commits. Okay, git add x.txt, git add x.txt. Next, git commit -m. What is the commit message? Just for the example sake I took, right? Let me take the same thing. What things I use are c1f. First commit in feature branch. Next, here just observe that y.txt, y.txt. Here just C2F, like this I took, sir. Now observe very carefully, right? If I use ls, how many files will come? Please confirm. If I use ls, how many files will be there? Respond. Okay, 4 files. Because the reason is, from the parent branch a.txt, b.txt is there. Next up, from the child branch I created x.txt and y.txt. Yes. Okay, 4 files are there. Perfect. If I use git log hyphen one line, how many comments are there? Please respond. How many commits will be there? Please respond. Four commits. Four commits. Two commits from the parent and two commits from the child. Because parent commits, parent files will be inherited to the child. Now observe that these two commits from the parent and these two commits from the child. Okay, well, okay. Now what I want to take here is, observe carefully, right? In the master branch, two commits are there, and then I created a child branch, and I implemented some new feature in the child branch. Sir, once this is completed, what my requirement is, I want to merge these changes to the master branch. This is about my requirement, right? So how you can merge these changes to the master branch? Okay, what command we require to use? Git please guide, sir. Git merge, git merge sir feature branch. So from which branch I have to execute this command? Who required these changes? Who required these changes? Master branch. That's why so from the master we have to execute this command. Now observe carefully, right? What I want to say, let me check out to the master. Okay, what is the way, you know, right? What is the way? Git checkout master, git checkout master switched to master branch. Now sir, I am in the master branch. Now observe very carefully, right? Okay, very important. Now what will happen is, git merge, git merge. Okay, feature, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now what will happen? Yes, anyone, can you please guess what will happen, sir? Don't tell merging is going to be happen. Okay, don't tell merging itself is going to be happen, sir. Of course, how that merging is going to be happen? Now have a look once. Very important point I want to talk, sir. Okay, this is master branch. Master branch contain c1m. Okay, c1m, and this one is c2m is there. Next, and after that here c1f, c1 c1f, c1f, and then c2f is there. c2f is there, sir. Okay, like now here master is pointing here because you switch to master branch. Now observe carefully, right? Now because you switch to master branch, master last commit is here. Master branch last commit is here. Master branch contain only two commits. Next, here feature branch is there. Feature branch is pointing to this place. Feature branch is pointing to this place. Okay, like now it is pointing to this place, right? Okay, well, sir, whenever we are using merge operation, in this case what will happen? 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me remove here git log hyphen one line. How many commits are there, only 2 commits are there, because you are in the master branch, only 2 commits are there. I didn't perform merging operation, right? Now git, here observe carefully, git merge, and what I'm trying to take, sir, feature, git merge feature. Okay, like, yes, can you please observe very carefully about this one, sir? Sir, merging is happened or not? Yes, can you spell out merging is happened or not? Yes, it is telling updating. Okay, these two merges, updating these two merges. Next, here x.txt, y.txt, two files changed, so these two files added to master branch. Remember this one, sir, two commits are added, two files are added. Okay, like, now where is the proof for that? Now here git branch, we are in the master branch. Perfect. In the master branch, if I ask, now 4 files were there. Earlier master branch contained only 2 files, but now 4 files are there. Whatever files my feature branch, by default will come to the master branch now. Okay, because we merged, like, next, git log hyphen one line. Are you in the position to understand, right? Sir, now how many commits are there? Sir, 4 commits came, 4 commits came to the master. Clear, right? Yes, friends, merging is happened or not? Yes, merging is happened or not? Yes, merging concept, merging is happened. That's why whatever files, whatever commits are there in the feature branch, now added to master branch. Okay, like, but here one very important word we have to do, sir. Sir, after merging, yes, Viraj is asking a small doubt. Okay, 1 minute, let me clarify this doubt, sir. Okay, now here multiple doubts may be a chance of rising at this stage. I will explain. Sir, after merging, whether the feature branch exists or not? Yes, feature branch exists. If you want, you can delete that branch because it is no longer required. Viraj, getting the point? If you want, you can delete that branch because it is no longer required. How you can delete a branch, that part I will discuss in the next level. Don't worry, sir. Okay, where is the proof for that? Now observe, if I use git branch, have a look once, feature branch is available or not? Yes, feature branch is available. If you can go check out to the feature branch and you can check the files, sir, by default overall feature branch is there, but the changes are merged to master branch. Now if you want, you can delete this feature branch. Perfect, it is possible, sir. Okay, like, now here next question Girinath is asking a small doubt. Now observe carefully, right? Sir, if the same file names are there, will files or code will be override or not? Yeah, this is what a small. Suppose my requirement is that part I will take care here. Yeah, just suppose a.txt is there, sir. Here in the master branch, a.txt is there. A.txt is there. Sir, now this a.txt will come to the child branch or not? Please confirm. Hey, respond. Girinath, will come to child branch or not? Is it coming to child branch or not? Yes, it will come to child branch. Child branch. Now in the child branch, it is added some lines to a.txt. It is added some lines to a.txt. Now, whenever we merge this one, so this master branch a.txt doesn't contain data, but this child branch a.txt contains some data. What will happen? Okay, take very special care here. So here one more line you have to understand. One more line you have to understand, right? So you are feeling that there may be a chance of conflicts. That is about your doubt. Conflicts of the content. Correct, right? There may be a chance of conflicts in the content, like this is your doubt. Yes, merge conflicts is the bigger topic we will discuss. Don't worry at all, just wait for a minute, sir. So now two files are updated. Next, and after that, two commits are updated. Two files are updated and two commits are updated, like, okay, git sir, here log hyphen one line, hyphen one line. Yes, updated, like, two commits are updated and two commits are updated and two files are updated to the master branch. Okay, well, next here one very important word This line is the very important, sir. Everyone, can you please read this one? What is this? What is this one? Fast forward. Are you getting what is this one? Fast forward, fast forward. Okay. So in this case, Git performing which merges are fast forward merge. Okay. So in this case, Git performs which merges are fast forward merge. Then immediately you may ask, what is the meaning of fast forward merge? Okay, this is the first question. Next, other than fast forward merge, do we have any other type of merge or not? Yes. Okay, two types of merges are there. How many types, right? Two types of merges are there. The first one is whatever we have fast forward. What is the meaning of that? I will explain, don't worry. Second one here is three-way merge. What is that? Can you please spell out? I respond. What is the first one? Fast forward merge. Second one, three-way merge. Okay, like there are two types of merges are there. Okay, this second part we will discuss in detail. But anyway, first let me talk about this one, sir. Second part we will talk later. Like, sir, now what is the meaning of fast forward merge? When Git performs this merge here, like, sir, how many branches are there with me? Can you please spell out? Respond clearly. How many branches are there? Two branches. Two branches. Okay, now let me use the word parent and child. Parent and child. Okay, of course, master and a feature. Okay, master and a feature. Like parent means my intention is master, and a child means feature. Okay, like now my question is, yet which commit feature branch got created as per our diagram? Yet which commit feature branch created? Yet this commit, correct, right? After completing this second commit, now the feature branch got created. Okay, like now after creating feature branch, after creating child branch, sir, now you created new commits in the child branch, but have you did any changes in the master branch? In our last example, whatever example I showed, Yamai did any changes in the master branch? Can you please confirm? No, no. So we didn't touch master branch. We just created changes only in the child branch. Okay, now this word is a very very important, sir. What is the meaning of fast forward merge is the very very important, sir. Okay, what that means is, sir, after creating child branch, so if we are not doing any new commits in the parent branch, okay, after creating child branch, if we are not, if we are not doing any changes in the parent branch. Okay, like sir, parent branch doesn't contain any new commits. In that case, git will perform fast forward merge. Remember this one, sir. In this case, git will perform which ones are fast forward merge. Okay, so parent and the child, two branches are there, but updations are available only in the child branch, but parent branch is untouched. In this particular case, git is always going to perform what? Fast forward merge. Any doubt about this? Please respond. Yes, friends, what is the meaning of fast forward? When the git is going to perform fast forward merge. Okay, after creating the child branch, we didn't perform any changes in the master branch. Master branch is untouched. We didn't touch master branch. In that case, fast forward merge is going to be happen. Okay, sir, in the fast forward merge, what it will do, sir? Sir, here this line is a very important. Can you please observe that? In the fast forward merge, okay, git simply moves parent branch pointer parent branch pointer to the last commit of child branch. Okay, last commit of child branch. Okay, here what will happen is, whatever whatever here pointer is there, parent branch pointer, now this one will be moved to last commit. Okay, now master is pointing to C to F, feature is pointing to C to F, head is pointing to C to F. Everyone in the position to understand? In the fast forward merge, what will happen? That's all, sir. In the last commit, whatever their last commit in the child, now master branch is also pointing to the same. That's why master branch contain all these four commits. Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand? Right now, if you want, you can observe that what will happen, sir. Here C1 C2 like C1 F, and this is the C2 F, sir. Master pointing to C2 F, feature is also pointing to C2 F as per our diagram. Yes, friends, everyone in the position to understand? In the fast forward merge, what will be happen? What will be happen? Okay, like this type of merge is by default considered yes. Okay, just in the fast forward merge, git simply moves parent branch pointer to the last commit of the child branch. Sir, is it merge or diversification? It is a merge only, not diversification. It is simply merge. That's all. Any doubt, friends? Clear for all of you internally what thing is happening? Okay. Now have a look once. If you just here my before pass forward match, next here see this one. Master is pointing here. Master is pointing here. Okay. Child is pointing here. Child is pointing here. But after fast forward match, what will happen? Observe that. Okay. From here, whatever master is there, it is moved to this one. Okay, this type of thing is called fast forward merge. Any doubt about this one? Any doubt about this terminology? Can you please confirm what is the meaning of fast forward merge? When the git is going to perform fast forward merge, very simple, sir. If the parent branch is untouched, you didn't perform any changes in the parent branch after creating the child branch. In this particular case, sir, git is always performing fast forward merge. That's what in the fast forward merge, git simply points parent branch pointer simply point into last commit of the child branch. That's it. Okay, then you may ask, sir, already these changes are considered by master branch. What is the need of feature? I told, right, feature is no longer required. If you want, you can delete this, no problem at all. Remember this one, sir. So now everything is under parent only, everything is under master only. Now the biggest advantage what we are getting, yes, this code developed by, okay, parallelly as a separate flow. If everything are smooth, if the development completed, if it is working properly, happily you can merge into the master branch. Clear? Sir, child branch is available or not? You have to tell the answer. Viraj, child branch is available or not? You have to tell. I told already, child is available. If you want, you can delete that child, no longer required. If you want, you can delete that. So after merge, child by default will be gone. No such type of terminology. Okay. Yeah. What about Ketan? Next, sir, after this merge operation, can I create a new child again? Yes, Ketan is asking this doubt. What about your answer? Can you please confirm? After merging feature with the master branch, sir, can we once again start a new branching mechanism? Is it possible or not? Why not? Why not? Sir, you can create another like. Okay. Now I have some diagram is there. Here observe that carefully. A little feature. Okay, this is the master branch, and then this is the big feature what I want to implement. How many branches are there? Multiple branches are there. So once this work got completed, I will mix this branch, I will merge this branch. Once this work completed, I will what we call merge, and then if you want, you can create a new branch for the next new feature. Yes, possible, no problem at all. So what is the meaning of fast forward merge? Whenever we are performing fast forward merge, internally what thing is happening, that's what you should aware. Okay, here one small doubt is there, sir. Suppose if if the same part, if the same file modified in both branches, okay, modified, if the same file is modified, there may be a chance of, there may be a chance of respond, there may be, if the same file modified in both branches, then maybe a chance of, maybe a chance of conflicts. Okay, there may be a chance of conflicts. Merge conflicts itself is a separate topic, remember that. So if the same file modified in both branches, maybe a chance of conflicts. But here one small point you people should aware, which type of merge we discussed up to this, which type of merge we discussed up to this, fast forward. Are you getting that? Fast forward merge. So in the fast forward merge, there is no chance of conflicts, there is no chance of merge conflicts. Okay, remember this. What is the reason for that, you may ask, sir, why merge conflicts won't be raised in the fast forward merge? The simple reasons are updations are happen, updations are happen in only in the child branch, master branch not updated, master branch not updated. Next, moreover, okay, here master branch pointer simply point into the last commit. Okay, new commit is not going to be happen, simply point into the last commit of the child branch. That's why there is no chance of there is no chance of config at all. Remember this one, because updations are not happened in the master branch. I hope it is clear. In fast forward merge, there is no chance of merge conflicts, because updations happen, updations happen only in child branch, only in the child branch, but not in the parent branch, but not in the parent branch. Is that clear, sir? Still some people may have the doubt, sir, can you please show, seems to be there may be a chance of conflict even in the fast forward also, can you please show an example for that? Yes, believe me, sir, there is no chance of merge conflicts at all, but still I want to show one small scenario so that you people may feel comfortable, right? What I want to do is, okay, let me do a commit in the master branch. Okay, assume that, okay, just I created a file a.txt, just I created a file a.txt. Okay, let me add some data to this a.txt. So now first commit happened, again let me add some data, second commit happen. Okay, second commit happen. Okay, like now let me create a new branch. Okay, a new branch, automatically this a.txt will come to this branch or not? Can you please confirm? a.txt will come to this branch or not? Yes, yes. Okay, suppose assume here one line I added, here one line I added. Now a.txt contain how many lines? Two lines are there. Okay, two lines. Now in the child I added one more line, now I did commit. Okay, I added one more line, I did commit. Now observe carefully, right? Parent a.txt contain only two lines, correct? Can you please confirm? Parent a.txt contain only two lines, but child a.txt contain how many lines? How many lines? Four lines are there, four lines are there. How many lines? Four lines are there. Okay, maybe a chance of conflict like you people are going to feel, nothing, sir. Here what will happen is, sir, simply pointer will be moved to this one. Okay, now master is pointing to child branch. Okay, now our final a.txt contain how many lines, sir? Four lines. Everyone in the position to understand? Everyone in the position to understand? Even though same file we modified, but in fast forward merge there is no chance of, okay, conflicts. Yes, let me cross check. matter of just 2 to 3 minutes, nothing will be there, sir. Here let me create mkdir project 10. I'm taking mkdir project 10. Okay, now here cd project 10. Okay, now here get init. Okay, well, sir, here what I'm trying to take, echo first line. Okay, first line. Okay, like a.txt I'm taking, sir. Yes, echo first line a.txt. Okay, now observe that git a.txt. Next git yard a.txt. Git yard a.txt. Next, and after that git commit. Okay, now I'm trying to take commit hyphen m c1 m. Okay, like I took, sir. First commit got completed. Okay, like now, sir, a.txt contain how many lines? Only one line is there. First commit completed. Okay, well, sir, now let me take second line. Echo second line. Sir, if you want second line, here we have to perform append operation. That's why, okay, like a.txt. Next, here I'm trying to take is sir, a.txt git yarn commit c2m. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Perfect. Now how many commits are there? Can you please confirm? I respond. How many commits are there? Two commits are there. How many files are there? Only one file. How many lines of the code is there? Only 2 lines. Perfect. Now let me create a branch. Okay, git search checkout hyphen b feature branch. Let me so switch it to a new branch feature. Okay, like here echo. Now I'm trying to take here, observe carefully, right? What I want to take, echo third line. Okay, third line. In which branch we are doing this operation? Please confirm. In which branch you are doing this operation? Okay, in the feature branch. Okay, like in the child branch, third line. Okay, like now let me do commit operation, right? Okay, here c1f. Okay, like yes, completed. Now let me add the fourth line also. Let me add fourth line also, like okay, now fourth line also added. Now here c2f. That's all. Okay, now in the child branch, total how many commits are there? Please confirm. In the child branch, total how many commits are there? We respond. How many commits? 4 commits. Get a log hyphen one line. Okay, 4 commits are there. If I observe a.txt, what is the contents are? 4 lines content is there. Perfect. Okay, well, acceptable. Now let me check out to master branch. Get checkout master. Okay, like now here observe that git log hyphen one line. How many are there? Only 2 commits. Next, cat a.txt. How many lines? Hey, a.txt. How many lines? Respond clearly. How many lines? Only 2 lines. Only 2 lines. Because the reason is we didn't merge. Only 2 lines. Perfect. Okay. Now a.txt, sir, in main master branch contain 2 lines. But in child branch it contain 4 lines. Now I want to perform merge operation. What will happen, sir? Get merge feature. Get merge feature. Okay, like now completed. You never going to see any what we call conflicts. Simple, sir. Directly updating fast forward a.txt, sir, 2 lines added. Okay, sir, 2 plus plus 1 file changed, 2 insertions, like it is telling. Okay, now git log hyphen 1 line. Okay, now so at the c2f master is pointing to this commit. Sir, at the c2f master is pointing to this last commit of the child branch. Now a.txt contain only one file is there. Now a.txt contain 4 lines. Perfect. Are you getting any conflict here? Respond clearly. Are you getting any conflict in this case? No conflict. So in fast forward merge, there is no chance of conflict, because our master branch, parent branch, updations are not there. Updations happen only in the child branch. Okay, like then immediately you may ask, sir, if both the parent and the child branches, if both parent and child branches are updated, array, in the parent branch, so after creating the child branch, parent also performed some commits. Parent also performed some commits. Child also performed some commits. Oh, updations are available in both the branches. Then what will happen? Okay, in this case, three-way merge will be performed. Which merges are? Can you please spell out? In this case, which merge is going to be performed, sir? Three-way merge will be performed. Okay, but in three-way merge there may be a chance of conflicts. We have to resolve those conflicts, but how you can resolve those conflicts, that part we are going to discuss. Don't worry at all. So what is the difference between, okay, fast forward merge and a three-way merge? Any doubt? After merge, if we perform change in one file and save but not commit after this, yes, Nirmal, it is a fast forward only. Okay, sir, can you please observe? Any doubt about this? When the three-way merge is going to be performed, can you please spell out? So after creating child branch, sir, here observe that after creating child branch, if parent branch also contains some new commits, if the parent branch also contains some new commits, then three-way merge. Git performs which merges are three-way merge. Okay, take very special care. Understanding this three-way merge is the very important, sir. Not that much easy. You have to take a bit special care. Can I go for a small scenario so that you can understand easily what thing is going to be happen? Can I go for that? So in three-way merge, there may be a chance of conflict or not. In three-way merge, there may be a chance of conflict or not. Yes, don't feel always conflict will be raised. Maybe a chance, maybe a chance of conflict, maybe a chance of conflict. Okay, that's all. Now here just observe, without a conflict I will show, with the conflict I will show, sir. First without conflict, what, let me go for that. Okay, here my requirement is something like this scenario. I want to do that, sir. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. This is what I want to implement. What I'm trying to take is, in the main branch I will create a file, and I will first commit, and here second commit completed. Now I will create a child branch. Now here multiple commits are there, and even in the main branch also I want to do a new commit. Now observe that both the master and the child, both the branches contain new commits or not? I respond, after creating child branch, is the parent branch also modified or not? Yes, parent branch also contain new commit. C3 new commit is there, sir. Okay, in this case merge is going to be happen, but how that merge will be happen, very important. Okay, legend, let me show practically internally what will happen. I will show, sir. Here let me create a new project so that you can get understand very easily. Mkdir project 11 I'm taking, sir. CD project 11. Okay, well, here just let me take touch a.txt, b.txt I'm taking. Okay, now my requirement is git add a.txt, git add a.txt, git commit hyphen yum. Okay, what I want to take commit message c1m. Okay, first commit in the master branch. Okay, fatal not a git repository, correct. The problem here is we didn't initiate repository. Have you observed, right? We didn't initiate repository, that's why the problem is coming. Get in it. Okay, now here, now observe, let me do this one, sir. Yes, perfect, it is happening, sir. Now here what is the next one is git add b.txt, git add b.txt, and then c2m, like this I'm taking. That's all. So in the master branch, how many commits are there? Please confirm. Please confirm how many commits are there in the master branch? Okay, 2 commits. And how many files are there? 2 files are available. Okay, well, sir, here are you in the position to understand up to this one we implemented, right? Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? We did up to this. Okay, now let me create child branch. Let me create child branch and perform some commits in the child branch also. Okay, now here what I want to take, get checkout hyphen b, okay, feature. Okay, like switch it to new branch feature. Okay, now touch x dot txt, y dot txt. Okay, well, next git add x dot txt and git commit hyphen m, here c1f I'm taking. Okay, first commit in the feature branch. Okay, well, next sir, here y dot txt, y dot txt. Next here what I'm trying to take is c2f. Okay, c2f I'm trying to take. Sir, up to this any doubt? Up to this any doubt? Okay, clear. Now in the child branch also, how many commits are there? Please confirm. In the child branch also, how many commits are there? 2 commits are there. 2 commits are there. Yes, we completed this part. We completed this part also. Okay, like now child commit, total 4 commits will be there for the child because parent commits also will come. Now let me cross check here what I'm trying to take. Git log hyphen hyphen one line, 4 commits are there. Okay, well, these 2 commits from the child branch, sorry, parent branch, these 2 commits are related to the child. Okay, currently you are in the feature. Okay, let me check out to the master. Get checkout master, master. Okay, switch to branch master. Okay, like now what I want to take here is, here this is the very important. I want to create a new file and I have to do a new commit in the child, in the master branch. I have to do a new commit. Okay, touch c dot txt. Okay, git add c.txt. Okay, git commit hyphen m c3m I'm trying to take. Perfect. Okay, well, git log hyphen hyphen one line. How many commits are there in the master branch? Please confirm. How many commits are there in the master branch? Respond. 3 commits. 3 commits. How many commits are, how many files are there in the master branch? 3 files. A.txt, B.txt, C.txt. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Okay, now we are in the master branch only. Now after creating child branch, if the parent branch also contains some new commits, okay, then git will perform 3-way merge. Remember this one, sir. So both the parent and the child branches updated, git will perform which type of, which merge operations are 3-way merge. Maybe a chance to ask in the interview room, when git will perform 3-way merge, when git will perform fast forward merge. In fast forward merge what will happen, in 3-way merge what will happen? You should have internal things, right? Okay, like now can I do that or not? Can I go for that? Yes, friends, can I? Okay, listen carefully, sir. Here one small point is there. Okay, 1 minute, this diagram somewhere I had branching. Yeah, 3-way merge. Okay, before, let me open. 1 minute. Here what will happen is, branching 3-way merge before. Yeah, here take very special care about this one, sir. What will happen in this case, sir? Very important. Up to this our scenario is the clear. Our scenario is the clear. Now what my requirement is, git from the master branch merge, git merge. okay, feature like I'm trying to take. What will happen is here a new commit will be created. Remember carefully, sir. A new commit will be created. Okay, this commit is considered as merge commit. Okay, merge commit. A new commit will be created. Okay, like next, sir, whatever head pointer is there, okay, whatever head pointer is there, I mean master pointer is there, this one simply will move to this one. Okay, observe carefully, sir. Simply move to this one. Now, master is pointing to this merge commit. Now, sir, this commit will become okay like that's all. This is the thing which is going to be happen, okay, in three-way merge. Are you in the position to understand? In fast forward merge, is a new commit will be created whenever we are performing merge operation. Is a new commit will be created or not? Hey, in fast forward a new commit will be created. No extra commit. But in the case of three-way merge, a new commit will be created, sir. Have you observed? This is three-way. Okay, sir, three-way merge, a new commit will be created. Next, the pointer is pointing to this one. Okay, now take a bit special care. It is not pointing here, it is pointing to the new commit. Where is the proof for that? Okay, 1 minute. Let me observe that. Git, you are already in the master branch. Observe that you are already in the master branch. Now git merge, git merge feature branch. Okay, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Here, one small thing I have to take. Whenever we are performing merge operation manually, what we have to take? Git commit -m -m. This is the commit message we have to provide. Correct or not? Okay, respond. This is the commit message we have to provide. Suppose if we are not providing -m, what will happen? Have you remembered? At our childhood somewhere we covered. If I'm not providing commit -m option, what will happen? Immediately it will open a editor. Okay, it will prompt. It will prompt. Okay, to provide it will prompt to provide commit message. Correct, right? It will prompt to provide commit message. It will open via editor and prompt to provide commit message. Okay, now here what will happen? Git merge feature. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Now observe. So have you observed, right? VI editor open, Vim editor or VI editor open. Okay, like now it is showing some default message, merge branch feature. Okay, like this is the message. If you want, you can take as this, otherwise you can ignore and you can create your own. Okay, I want this merge message only, no problem at all. What I will do is colon WQ. That's all. Have you observed? Merge made by the recursive strategy. Recursive strategy is nothing but a three-way merge. Remember that. Recursive strategy itself is nothing but three-way merge. Okay, x.txt, y.txt. Two files changed. Okay, like yeah, perfect. Now as per our diagram, okay, as per our diagram, total how many commits are there before merge operation? Please confirm. Total how many commits are there before merge operation? 5 commits. 5 commits. 3 commits in the master branch, 2 commits in the child branch. Okay, but now after merge operation, how many commits will be there? After merge operation, how many commits will be there? Please respond. After three-way merge operation, how many commits will be there? Sir, how many commits? This new merge commit also came. That's why 6 commits by default will be there. Where is the proof for that? Okay, git log hyphen one line. Have you observed? 2 commits of parent, 2 commits of child, and a new commit in the master branch, and then this is what okay, merge branch feature. Okay, this is the default commit message provided by my Git. If you want, you can take, otherwise you can ignore. This new commit will be created or not. That's all. This is what you people should be aware. What is the meaning of three-way merge operation? Okay, after three-way merge, internally what thing is happening is, this is the diagram you should aware. Any explanation is required? In this commit, any file is available? Yeah, all these, I mean, this is the just a merge commit, nothing. Because of these commits, whatever files are there, all those files will come. Okay, files, all those files by default will come, don't worry. Okay, now if I use you are already in the master, a.txt, b.txt, c dot and x and y, all the 5 files by default are available. But in this case, so master branch files are these, child branch files are there, no conflict. We didn't change same file. Master files are different, child files are different. That's why we didn't get conflict. If a master branch and child branch both modify same file, maybe a chance of conflict. If the conflict is going to come, how you can resolve merge conflicts? That part I will take care, don't worry. As of now, first try to understand what is the three-way merge, when the three-way merge is going to be happen. Clear? So the most valuable concept, friends, majority of the people can't understand what is the difference between fast forward merge and a three-way merge. I hope is that clear. Okay, sir, here one command is there. I didn't show this command. Have a look once. Git log hyphen. Please confirm. What is the command we require to use? Git log hyphen. Ah, hey, why you are silent, man? One line. Next, hyphen graph I'm taking. Observe that you are already in the master branch. Hyphen graph. Hyphen graph. Can you please show? Now have a look once. This is the first commit. Okay, this is the second commit in the master branch. Now you created what a child branch. In the child branch, this is sorry. Here this is the master branch, something like, okay, C1F, C2F, something like. Here maybe because the problem here is, don't worry at all. Here in the master branch, this new commit is there, right? This new commit is this message. Master branch new commit is this message. This commit is related to this one, sir. Don't get confused. This is related to this one, master branch. But now this is the first one, and this is the second commit in the child. Now what is this one, sir? This one itself a merge commit. Are you getting right? Yes, you can see separate flow here. Okay, this one itself is a separate flow. Okay, like now we are merging to the master branch. Whenever we are merging here, a new commit is going to be created. Well, perfect, right? Yeah, Nirmal is asking one very interesting question. Yes, here head tilde one will become C2F or C2M, not C2M, C3M. C3M you have to ask. Correct, right? Yes, Nirmal. C3M. Okay, like now observe git show head tilde one I'm taking. Now which commit it is considered? Observe carefully. D453 something like. D453 means which one? D453 means this one only. From the master branch it is considered. Okay, like That's all. So what is the meaning of what is the meaning of three-way merge and a fast forward merge? How you can perform merge operation? Clear? Okay. Yeah. Sir, here just observe that. What is the difference between fast forward merge and a three-way merge? Maybe a chance of asking the questions, right? What the difference? What the difference between fast forward merge and a three-way merge? Okay. Here just observe carefully. Yeah. Here I'm trying to take here. Just let me take some important conclusions. Sir, here fast forward merge. Fast forward. Next and after that, this is the three-way. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Now the first important conclusion here is, so when Git will perform fast forward match, can you please confirm? only only after creating chain only child branch is modified, but the parent branch is not modified. But parent branch is not modified, then Git performs fast forward merge. Correct, right? Git will do which merges are fast forward merge. Any doubt about this? Please observe. Next, after creating child branch, after creating child branch, sir, here both the branches are updated. Both the parent and the child branches, both parent and child branches are updated. Then okay, Git will perform three-way merge. Remember that carefully, right? Okay, well, sir, now the second, here just observe carefully. There is no chance of conflicts in this case. Correct, right? Yes, there is no chance of any conflicts are there. Any conflicts are there? No. Next, any new commit will be created. It doesn't require any new commit is not required. But a new commit will be created, which is also known as a new commit will be created, which is also known as merge commit. Remember this one, sir. Which is also known as merge commit, right? A new commit will be created, which itself is nothing but merge commit. Remember. Okay. Next, important conclusion. Here, see this one. Is there any chance of conflict in the case of fast forward? No chance of conflicts. Even I showed this one also. There no chance of conflicts, but here maybe a chance, maybe a chance of conflicts, maybe a chance of conflicts, right? Next, one more point we will discuss about this one, sir. Sir, if the conflict rised, what will happen? Array respond. Merge operation is performing by Git. If you are just issuing this command, sir, git merge, and a feature like this, you are taking this one. So who is the responsible to perform merge operation? Git itself is the responsible to perform merge operation, right? But if there is a conflict, what will happen? Then immediately, what the Git will do is, array, please wait. Array, please wait. So there is a conflict is there. First resolve this conflict. Then only I can do merge operation. Our merge operation will be hold it until that conflict is going to be resolved. Remember, that's why. So here, fast forward, everything is handled by Git. Okay, it is fully handled by Git itself. It is fully handled. It is fully handled by Git itself. Okay. If there is a conflict, we have to handle manually. If there is a conflict, we have to handle manually. Sir, how to handle? Can you please show an example with the Git conflict? That part I will take care. Don't worry at all. So if the interview person is asking about what is the difference between fast forward and three-way match, can you please explain with an example or when the three-way merge will be performed, or when the fast forward merge will be performed. Internally, what things are happening? If any person is asking, give left and right to that person. Yes. Any doubt about this merge operation? What is the meaning of three-way merge and a fast forward merge? Sir, here an alternative to merge operation is rebase. Rebase. If you want to understand the rebase, compulsory you should have clear clarity on this fast forward and a three-way merges. If you are not having the clarity, sorry, then you can't understand next level. That's why please make sure whatever examples I showed, okay, better to do, sir, yourself. Matter of few minutes, hardly 10 minutes, you can complete these examples. But understanding the theory is a very, very important. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So in the next session, we have to talk about merge conflicts. Okay, how the merge conflicts, so how we can resolve these merge conflicts, okay, by manually or otherwise by using some merge tools, how you can do that, that part I will take care. That's all, friends.